The Asset Repositioning tab may become your new best friend. If you like to capture new assets, this tab is for you. This tab is designed to compare a current plan with a proposed plan. The input is very simple, and the break-even is very easy to understand. I'll input $100,000 in the lump sum cell under the current plan and a 4% surrender charge. Note that the surrender charge dollar amount can be inputted. The rate of return is 5%, and I'm not illustrating a monthly amount. The fees are 2%. The proposed plan section data entry is as follows. 5% bonus. Notice the net amount transferring and that amount plus the bonus. 4% rate of return and 0% fees. The year-by-year section compares the two plans and illustrates the break-even point. Notice that the first year, the proposed plan is ahead by $1,832 and goes up from there. In the end, clients want their money in the best vehicles possible. Use this tab to show the long-term impact of fees, rates of return, and contribution rates. Top advisors use concept and context, not brochures, to put money in motion. Master this tab, and your AUM will reflect it.